Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we have an interesting recipe for you, and it's a do-it-yourself recipe that is perfect for the kids especially, and also for you as an adult, just for some extra energy. So today we are making oats jummie bars. So let's get right into it. You will need 2 cups of oats, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar or white sugar. The next thing you want to do is mix this up thoroughly, just to combine everything, and then you will add to that mixture 6 tablespoons of margarine or butter. Butter is most preferable because of the taste. So what you want to do is just crumble this mixture up just to get a fine crumb. Make sure all the butter has incorporated in the flour, or in the mixture of the flour and oats mix. Then you should get something like this after combining for about 5 minutes. So the next step is to prepare your jam paste. So this is basically jam, any fruit jam that you have in your house. You take that and add a little water just to make it pasty. You want this to melt down to such a consistency. So you want to let this cool. Use it when it's completely cool. Meanwhile, you'll pat down your oats flour mixture into a baking tin or a baking tray like this until it's firmly compact. Then what you want to do is put in or layer in your jammy paste when it's completely cool, remember. Then just layer on top the remaining oat flour mixture to a crumb. You just want to crumb this down. It's a crumble. So you want to bake this in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes or until the top is golden brown in color. So that's when you're going to know it's ready. So you want to remove this from the tray and cut it into your desired shape and let them cool down, and you can enjoy this whenever you want or need a snack. This is the best alternative and healthier option for your kids and for yourself. I hope you'll try this recipe out, guys, and follow me on Instagram to share your tries. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and please share with your family and friends. See you in the next video, and goodbye.